Understanding sugar content is vital for health. With nearly 70% of products containing added sugars, it's essential to read labels. Let's dive into how to effectively read food labels for sugar. First, locate the nutrition facts panel on the packaging. This area provides important information about the product. Next, focus on the serving size at the top. All nutritional values are based on this amount. Then, find the total sugar section. This is crucial as it includes both natural and added sugars. Now, look for added sugars below the total. This shows specifically how much sugar was added during processing. If there's no added sugars line, it likely means no extra sugars were included. Remember, the daily limit for added sugars is 6 teaspoons for women and 9 for men. Next, we'll consider the percentage daily value. This tells you how much sugar fits into your daily intake. A value of 5% or less is low, while 20% or more is high. Now let's discuss ingredient lists. Look for words like sucrose, fructose, or corn syrup. These indicate added sugars in various forms. When checking familiar foods, compare brands. Some may have far less sugar than their counterparts. For instance, unsweetened yogurt has less added sugar than flavored varieties. Understanding sugar content helps reduce health risks. You can lower risks of obesity and diabetes. Knowing how to read labels empowers you to make healthier choices. Remember, consuming excessive sugar can lead to health issues. In summary, start with the nutrition facts panel. Focus on serving size, total sugars, and added sugars provided. Use this knowledge to make informed decisions. Now, it's time for your next step. Next time you shop, bring this knowledge along. Choose wisely and prioritize your health. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips.